Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Roblox subscription premium service. Really simple. This is the most recent update. In the top right hand corner where it has the little gear icon, this is on your roblox.com account. Click on this option, go to settings. Now from settings over here where it says subscriptions, you're going to click on this. Now over here on the right hand side it says here currently it's $8.49 per month and it renews. We're going to click on the little arrow icon. Then this box here is going to appear which says cancel renewal. We're going to click on this, click on yes, and then you have successfully cancelled this subscription. Simple as that. Now, if you are on an iPhone or if you join through an iPhone or say another gaming platform, you might need to go into that gaming platform. For example, on your iPhone, you may need to go to your subscriptions on your iPhone to cancel it if you can't see this on your web-based subscription. If you found this helpful, make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.